When you create a pay-per-click ad, you pay for every click whether the user buys your product or not. For that reason, it makes sense to do whatever you can to make your PPC ads as compelling as they can be. If you don't, you're just throwing your advertising budget down the drain. Fortunately, you don't need to be an advertising professional to make the most of your PPC ads. We have 7 key tips that can help you create the kind of ads that compel people to click on them, and then close a deal by delivering what your target audience needs. Number 1. Add numbers to your headline and ad copy. The first thing you can do is add numbers to your headline and ad copy. Numbers provide the kind of specificity that web users look for. They can increase your credibility and provide instant confirmation that your product delivers results. The key is to use numbers that are directly relevant to your target audience. Your numbers must also be accurate. Using hard numbers, percentages, and other statistics can help impress the people who see your ad and convince them to click through to your website. Number 2. Make your headline persuasive. Creating a high-converting PPC ad headline requires more than sticking a few numbers into a boring headline. The language around those numbers must be deeply persuasive to get searchers to click on it. You have just a few words, so make sure that your headline is accurate and intriguing at the same time. You don't want users to be confused about your offer, you want them eager to learn more. Number 3. Make your ads mobile responsive. As of 2017, 60% of all searches happen on mobile devices. That means that you can't afford to run a PPC ad that's not mobile responsive. In addition to making sure that your ad and landing page are easy to read on mobile devices, you may also want to consider adding a click-to-call button on your ad. Another alternative is to use if functions to create special ad text and offers unique to mobile users. Number 4. Vary your ads according to keywords. Some companies make the mistake of running the same ads for all related keywords. However, some keywords indicate that a customer is looking for information, while others indicate that they're ready to make a purchase. Your ads should reflect the intention of the search if you want them to be successful. For example, someone who uses a how-to keyword is just looking for information. A person who uses purchase-ready language like buy, best, or cheapest is ready to pull out their credit card and buy something. Your ads should be tailored to the searcher's place in the sales funnel to get the best results. Number 5. Choose a compelling image for your ad. You can and should include an image with your PPC ad. The trick is to stay away from boring or cheesy stock images and select something that's authentic, compelling, and relevant to the target audience for your ad. Keep in mind that photos aren't the only option. A unique illustration or infographic can be just as compelling as a photograph if you choose it wisely. Number 6. Make sure your landing page delivers on the promise of your ad. The headline and image of your ad will, if you craft them properly, convince people to click through and visit your website. However, if your website doesn't match the promise of your ad, they'll navigate away. Make sure that the page you direct traffic to delivers on what your ad says. Pulling a bait and switch will only hurt you with both Google and your target audience. Number 7. Use retargeting efficiently. It's very rare for a potential lead to buy based on a single interaction with a brand. As a rule, it takes 7 to 10 touches before they'll buy your product. You can increase the effectiveness of your PPC ads by retargeting the people who click it based on their behavior on your site. For example, you might retarget people who abandon a shopping cart with specific language to get them to come back and complete their purpose. If you do a good job creating them, PPC ads can convert members of your target audience to leads, and leads into paying customers. These 7 tips will help you make the most of your PPC ads. Did you enjoy this video? If so, click the subscribe button below to be notified when we post new content.